Hi everybody, this is July 19th and we're doing another withdrawal from Tronark. And as you know, if you've been following along with this journey, that right now we're just at 4,519 TRX in this contract. We're doing 100% withdrawal until we recoup the investment. And then we're going to switch to either a 90-10 or 50-50. So meaning that we will withdraw everything and reinvest 50% or 90%. So I'm leaning towards the 90% after the investment is recouped. So, but for today, we are eligible to withdraw 782 TRX. We don't have any rewards for today, but the good thing is that we're still earning 7.5% per day, and that's a good thing. So also, we've been doing a lot of updates on the website, the YouTube page, and also the Facebook group. And remember, usually right after I record videos, I do a premiere of the video so that you can join me on the chat and also have a chance to go into the pot to receive 100 TRX, 250, 500, or 1,000, and that is held quarterly. So stay tuned. We're going to do daily withdrawals until we reach our investment, and then we're going to begin the journey of the reinvestment to keep the contract going. So here we go. We're doing a withdrawal. Okay, and it has automatically reset. And you saw that the change went into the wallet there. So we are all good on this one. And we'll see you tomorrow around the same time. And please join us for the live premiere.